If your range vent hood lights aren't working, here are the top 5 most probable causes. The light bulb itself may have simply burned out. You should replace the bulb with a new one before replacing any other component. You should also make sure the bulb is threaded tightly in the socket. It's also possible that the light socket is malfunctioning. With a working bulb installed, you can test the socket with a multimeter to determine if the component has continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the socket tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. The light switch could be defective as well. Again, you can use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity to determine if the component has failed. Although it is not a common problem, the control board may be malfunctioning. You should inspect the bulb and test the other components first to ensure they're working properly before replacing the control board. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your range vent hood.